How to log in to Ceridian Payroll account. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Ceridian account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web browser in your PC, and at the top search bar, type in Ceridian Payroll Login. Once you do that, you will see all the links that are related with Ceridian Payroll. Click onto the first one that says Ceridian HR Payroll. Once you do so, you will land onto this page. Now under this small portal, all you have to do is under client login, enter your client number. At the second box, enter your username. At the third box, simply enter your password. Once you do so, tap on continue. In case you have forgotten your user ID, tap on forgot your username. In case you have forgotten your password, click onto the option that says forgot your password and get help resetting your account. And after you do so, if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Ceridian Payroll account, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.